Thursday, guys. It is February the 8th. I'm actually headed to my mother's house. I am starting a weight loss journey because when I was looking at my videos and I was just like, boo, that is not you. You thick all around the edges. So we're probably going to go to Planet Fit. I will see you guys in just a minute once I get to my mom's house. Okay, so I know I told you guys I would come back once I got to my mom's house, but I actually then picked up my mother and now we're headed to Planet Fitness, y'all. So excited. I'm gonna do a little light workout, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna do too much because I don't want to hurt myself. But I also might talk to somebody and see if I can sign up for some of like the Planet Fitness classes, the trainers that they have, like a personal trainer or something. Because as I get older, when I was younger, I used to get in there and used to be like, you know what I'm saying, on the treadmill, then here and there. But I think ever since I done turned 40, I don't know, it's a little harder to lose the weight. You know what I'm saying? So I need to keep my eyes on the prize. On the treadmill, you got my mom right there. So yeah, guys, I don't want to get a copyright strike, but as you can see, I'm just warming up on the treadmill. My mom is warming up on the other machine behind me, and yeah, so I'm feeling really optimistic at this point. You know what I'm saying? The workout hasn't really started to kick in yet, but yeah, let's see how we do, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm down on the treadmill and I feel like I'm about to die, so, but we can't quit, we can't give up, we gotta stay motivated, so.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide for what I want. Need some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide for what I want. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Yes, y'all, I had me a pre-made salad from home. I got feta, mixed greens, avocados, onions, all that. Then I also got my chia pudding that I prepped for the week and a banana. So I wouldn't eat no fast food, y'all. So guys, I had an awesome workout. My lunch was so delicious. And my mom, I've already dropped my mom off at her house, and I'm actually heading back to my house because I have to get the kids and everything soon. Well, it's 2 o'clock. I don't have to get my daughter until 4, but let's heading back because I know sometimes it be traffic. I have not worked out like that in a very long time. That has motivated me to get back into the swing of things, because I'll go to my local Planet Fitness and I'll just do like the treadmill and the steps and call it a day. You know, I have not sweat like I sweat today in a long time. But y'all, I did that. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Years ago, I would never have put myself on the internet like at the weight that I'm at now. I've always been heavy, you know what I'm saying? But I recently had lost 48 pounds and was feeling really good about myself. but I had gained, out of the 48, I gained, I believe, 30, like 26, between 26 and 30 pounds back. So I didn't gain all of the weight back, but looking at the videos of myself today, I feel like I gained all of the weight back and some more. But cut it, because we about to get this baddie back together. Yeah, so I just wanted to share my workout with you guys, and I had an awesome lunch. I'm gonna probably eat something similar for dinner. I'm not gonna eat the exact same thing because I don't want to get bored, but I am gonna incorporate a salad. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. And my kids and I decided we're going to do a family Q&A, and one of the subscribers requested a family Q&A, so I'm going to put some questions together. I did do a community post and asked you guys to leave me questions that you might want to ask me myself about me living on Section 8, or just me about me myself. Any questions you want to ask the kids, I'll have all the kids in the video, all 3 of the kids in the video. I think that'll be fun, and that'll be a nice family-oriented activity for us. The highway is backed up, so baby, I ain't going that way. I'm about to take the street way. I just love all the support and encouragement, good and bad, negative and positive. But I'm determined to get this weight down. So my birthday is in May the 20th, and I want to be down. It's February, March, April, May. February to March to April to May. So I got 3 months. So let's see if we could do 40 pounds in 3 months. That's kind of pushing it, but we're gonna push ourselves. I will see you guys in the next video.